And now horizontal lines, pretty self-explanatory. But again, you click it and you have some options available. Now let's go ahead and get rid of the video element for now so that you guys can clearly see what I'm working on. The next one is our countdown timer. Watch this. I want a timer right here. I'm going to click this. I'm going to come over here to my settings. And now we have some awesome options. Something I've never seen before. Countdown timers are definitely a necessity for all your sales pages, opt-in pages. Every page you have in your funnel, you'll do better with countdown timers. So we come over here. We have our countdown setup. We can go ahead and put in our countdown type, the exact date and time, evergreen or cookie based. We can go ahead and put in the date, and then we can have the format. And then we can go over here and we can set the actual hour slider as well as minutes. Pretty self-explanatory. But let's get to the real magic. I come down here to design and I have some options here. I have normal text like it is now. We're right here. Or I could do flat box, or I could do glossy box, or we can do my favorite. I will use this countdown timer everywhere. We have circular. This countdown timer here is unlike anything you've ever seen before. If we want to choose the font face for our countdown timer, we can do it. If we want to choose the font color, let's go ahead and make it white. That works better for this page. We can do it. Beautiful designs. But if I don't want to use circular, let's say I want to use fancy text, or I want to use glossy box, well, I can go ahead and change the color of the countdown timer as well. So you have complete control how it looks on your page. You can even change the border color. We can change the border style. So we want dash, dotted, double. We can do whatever we want to do. But check this out. When your countdown expires, meaning that it counts down to 0, well, you want something to happen. So we can set it up to where it does nothing. We can set it up to where the countdown timer just goes away. We can redirect the user to another URL, or we can actually have hidden content that will show up when this timer is expired. So you have complete controls. The countdown timers are awesome.